Valve key MK1. Flathead screwdriver small. Pin pouch smaller. Remove the valve. Use the pin pouch smaller. Insert it to the hole at the end of the knocker valve. Then unsecure the knocker valve with the flathead screwdriver small. Inspect the seal for any debris. Inspect the valve body for any debris. Inspect the O-ring for damage. Assemble the valve. Inspect the O-ring for damage. Apply the silicone-based seal grease to the O-ring. Inspect the threads for any debris. Put back the valve.